Hi, it's Gina from WTI. For someone like me that doesn't drink coffee in the morning, I love a strong, full-bodied cup of tea. Stash English breakfast has been one of my favorites for years. It's the quintessential English tea that goes really well with a creamer and a little bit of sweetener to really bring out its lovely flavor. It has a robust, malty, and actually somewhat sweet flavor that I just love. Even though it is called a breakfast tea, you can really enjoy it any time of day. I choose just to drink it before noon though because the caffeine is a little bit much for me in the afternoon. I like to make a pot of it and sip on it all morning. It just transports me to when I was in England and we would drink tea and eat scones all morning long. You can tell that this is a high quality tea, and I can definitely feel that it wakes me up and makes me alert in the morning and ready to seize the day. So if you'd like to join me for a spot of tea, go and get yourself a cup. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.